Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Cinta Taufika Anandra. I'm from TBI 3. Now I want to explain about comparison of adjective. Comparison of adjective we use when comparing with one object with another object. Comparison of adjective consists of three parts. The first part is positive. Positive is equal or equivalent. The second part is comparative. Comparative is more level. The third part is superlative. Superlative is most. The first part of comparison of adjective is positive. The pattern of positive is subject plus to be plus s plus adjective plus s plus object. For example is Luna is as beautiful as her mother. Luna as subject, is as to be, as beautiful as adjective as, her mother as object. The second part of comparison of adjective is comparative. Comparative is more level. The pattern is subject plus to be plus adjective plus er plus than plus object. For example is Madam Me is taller than Lucia. Madam as subject is as to be, taller as adjective plus er, then Lucia as object. We use er because the adjective just one syllable. If adjective more three syllables, we can use more. The last part of comparison of adjective is superlative. Superlative is most. The pattern is subject plus to be plus the plus adjective plus est plus object. Example is Samuel is the tallest boy among them. Samuel as subject is as to be, the tallest as the adjective est, boy among them as object. We use est if just one syllable. If more three syllable, we use most. Same with comparative degree. Now I will explain how to make comparative and superlative. There is some rules to make the comparative and superlative. In here I will explain the table, and then there is rules if single syllables and double syllables were ending with y, er, and ow and le, we can use like the table, and then we use er to make the comparative and est to make the superlative. We use er and est if the syllable just one or two. If the syllables more three syllables, we can use more to comparative and most to superlative. And then in here there is adjective blacks, and the comparative is blacker, the superlative and is blackest, because black just one syllable, blacks just one syllable, so we can use er to comparative and est to superlative. So it is same the to fair and clever, because clever just two syllables. If we can make example like important, three syllables, so important we use more, not importanter. Okay, now I will explain about superlative. Superlative same like comparative, because superlative we can use est if the adjective just 1 or 2 syllables, and then we can use most if the superlative and if the adjective is more 2 syllables. For example, like 1 syllables like big, old, nice, and more 2 syllables like dangerous, expensive, comfortable. And then there is irregular adjectives like good, fun, bad, far. There is some difference because good, the superlative is best, fun, the superlative is most fun, bad, the superlative is worst, far, the superlative is farthest. For your knowledge, we can know from this table the positive, comparative, and superlative, the differences, and then we can know from before the positive is long, the comparative is longer, the superlative is the longest, and then the second is happy. We can change the y into bi, IER. So happy, the comparative is happier, the superlative is the happiest. And then beautiful, the comparative is more beautiful because the beautiful is 3 syllables, beautiful. And then the superlative is the most beautiful, the most beautiful. We can use more or most if the syllables more 2 syllables. And in here I will explain about irregular adjective. Like before I explained before, irregular adjective there is good, bad, far, little, many. The comparative of good is better, the superlative is best, the positive is bad, the comparative is worse, the superlative is worse. The adjective is far, the comparative is farther, the superlative is farthest. Same like in here, I will explain the irregular adjective. Like before, there is some example from irregular adjective. There is 3 questions from me to you to train your comparison of adjective. The first question is, Naga viper peppers are spicy than red savina peppers. A. More spicy, B. Or spicier. 2. She is a few inches tall than her brother. A. More tall, or B. Taller. The third is, relapses in multiple scholars may become bad over time. A. More bad, or B. Worse. Okay, now we can answer question. The first is, Naga viper peppers are spicy than red savina peppers. The answer is spicier because spicy just 2 syllables. If not more 3 syllables, we can use more. If just 1 or 2 syllables, we can use er. The second is, she is a few inches tall than her brothers. The answer is B. Same with number 1. Tall, just tall, 1 syllables. If just 1 syllables, we can use er. Number 3. Relapses in multiple scholars may become bad over time. The answer is B because bad is irregular adjective. If irregular adjective bad become worse, the comparative, in superlatifnya we can use worse. That's all about my explanation about comparison of adjective. If you have any question, you can ask me. Thanks for your attention. See you in next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.